This is an import. This is not an import. This is an integer. This is not an integer. This is a list. Why is counting so hard? What even is this? You thought you were done. You are still not done. Nothing. No, this literally does nothing. Now you are done. If statement. Psych. This is easy. This is not easy. Class dismiss. Round. Convert to integer. Convert to float. Convert to string. Why are there so many convert functions? You won't convert binary. Hexadecimal. Define. Initialize. You will never use this. What?